809. Good morning, Scobie.
Benjani live khot banyam.
Nice, eh?
Ayi ngikukhumbula mongeke enyathethisa mongeke.
Really?
Bangitreat ngathi ngumntana adoptiwe like angiphatheki kahle mongeke.
Oh my word.
Ufuna ukudlulisa na ukuthi nabalaleli bazi ukuthi angiphatheki kahle. Khumutso.
I know it's Khumutso. I know
angiphathi sha.
Yeah, I knew it.
Khumutso angiphathi sha and izolobe kuyibirthday yakhe and expect ukuthi mina mhlambe fanele ngigqume ke ngithi hey hayi asikho right Khumutso.
Wayesengikho right mina nawe sikho?
No, first of all awusila yini yami nje yomuntu.
Unamanga mina nawe ziyibitch. Awuqamba manga ngaka.
Ngizele icaca mina nawe sikukula ini one. Unento zakho zama traffic like uwe unofaka amakwayikwayi ngolosithathu.
Namanje.
Umekapa from 11 emini kuseni awusitype yami.
Awu namanga.
Uthini?
Last week ngithethe kabuhlungu kanjani?
Uthini wenze nqoma kwayi?
Yeah, ubani ufama kwayi wenze ngo2 emini quite. And ahakubisa kabuhlungu.
No ways.
Ari inkomo.
Ngibizwe ngalinye igama last week brabo bonga.
Seriously?
Bathi akekho babakho kuphela ukuphapha bathi ubabami wena. Akekho babakho. Ube khona umngane wakho makufalene. Akekho babakho ke phapha sibone ngathi so mangeke ubhobinye kunje. So lento ngizoannounce lo. Mangabe ubhobha akekho angizwakali. Sana labangani bakhe abakhuluma isiLungu. Hayi ngizongilava. Uzongibamba la ngini.
Happy birthday to Bumi.
Uthi?
No, someone said I must say happy birthday to them and you're busy talking nonsense.
No designer. Pero claro,
I enjoyed my leave. It was nice. I did nothing.
shooting. Na unibhizi interview abo Dennis. Kuyini ngishoota? Andingaze la ngi-interview kule show.
What?
Kule show.
You live here.
So usho kuthini lo? Yazi ifana nabazali umzala athi, "Hawu umntanami hawu. Why kana nguphima lo mntanami? Mabakashe lo mzala wakho ndiyamazi uyadakwa and akabatshela endlini wenza ngathi sangena sathi, "Hayi mama ninjani?" Wow, ngikhumbule. Akanikhumbula ngani sizofuna imali ebhiya lo.
Sakuvula ikist.
Haya yazi bafuza itiye ngalamaqomo yazi namaqomo.
Ama China.
Azikho abekho abantu bangidina njengalaba abantu abavakashile bathithwe ngathi
You know?
Exactly. Yeah.
but khumbuza uthi mad uhlele abantu bavakashile umuntu abantu bavakashile uthi laba bafeka nje baba
Lava fail.
phakela abantu
Yeah.
and bese kuze laba kokwamthanda lokuvakashela abafundisi and labafundisi ngicela bekele ugokwami ukuthi umkhulu amushonile akoshuda bedladle hayi kokwami hot bafethi wena kancane indlela
Ngiyamazi gogo.
no my grandma is hot awusangelo baba hey mahlophe ninjani andakazi ukuthi ngikhona ngithi akubona check karama ngeke badake akekho kanti into nami ngidrop off ngibhizi ngihlelo kokwami siyabonda ngizena scope kokwami thanda inyama ngizena scope ngibhizi ngiyascope ngizanga hey mahlophe Ngithi awungimamele ukuthi le bar ngena la izothini gogo. Ugogo mama mdala unokhohle ukuthi ngikhona uza hey Mangena lo baba sathi disappointed ngibona hey ninjani ntotana Mangena nje mahlophe Ngoba hey sakubona mthi hey ninjani ntotana Ngithi ngikhona Ngisakubona inkonzo ngithi angaze ngeza ngeza Sikusiza ngani baba hayi nje bengidlula nje nginje khwaphu kokukhuluma khwapha hambe ke mara bombutsa akekho right uphethe ne plastic nyana
Blockela ugogo.
hayi blockang
Yeah, that's really blocking. I'll be honest.
and lo mfundisi uphethe nipinyana nebonti nyana ngitoba bekunegigi la 10 case mina bona badlala amasango hambe kabuhlungu la mfundisi asikho right namanje lapha khona uyazi ukuthi naye
So I am vele.
one
You just sit there.
I sat there 3 hours. Kokam house khumbuzo. Ngemazoko masafuna ukuxoxa naye. Hey wasivakashela ke la. Hey wavakasha. Uyazi ukuthi into ziyabhedla bese bakubiza igama la kamama. Wavakasha ke mntana ka Queen namhlanje. Hayi wahlala so. Yazi wasitshala esofeni lami. Wasitshala wobe sihlahla yazi wahlala. Waze walala sikhumbuzo unendlo ngikho uphuma hambani ngathi angindawo until kufika umama la angivayo ngoba mama yamaza mama kaSpy la mfundisi asikho right namanje mina
Seriously?
yeah asikho sharp
Was he at Grace? No,
Wow.
I'm just asking.
Abantu ba unnatural.
lo baba mara khuzani lo baba
I'm just asking, guys.
Yeah, so Grace.
So spicy.
Okay.
I was Grace abekushaba abathandi leya type mara bathanda.
Imali yabo.
Ngicela ngingayini lapha yazi mina ngiyafuna nabafundisi.
Again.
Ngikhathele nabafundisi.
Really?
Angizwe into mina. Mangena bathi naba abanye baphaphayo. Iphaphani ingenile ke manje. Ingene iphaphani ke manje. Angathola sathelo ngesacrament. Andala bravo. What a week, bravo.
Yeah.
What a week. Beyond to pray.
Momo.
Oh, sorry kancane bravo. Ayikaba mfethu.
Ayikabi.
Ngiyazi Beyonce una behind him.
Yebo.
Angidala labo mina bravo.
Then it's you and I, then we fight.
Look. Why lento ka Beyonce into enkulu kangaka ngathi like saqala ukubona umuntu break.
Kaloku
Uyathandwa.
Manje hey umshoza wamitha. Umshoza wamitha ayikayi1. Amitha umshoza washintsha. Nathula ngathi nini. Kele khumalo wamitha wathola umntwana. Ofaka amatha what did you Oh my word. Beyonce nje sakamisha ukuthi I can't believe it. Yabo khumuzo I can't believe ngizoba auntie ngithi
osutha babadala khumuzo.
Auntie kabani? Auntie kabani? Ngeke usone nokusondela kulabantwana.
What green? Green and yellow.
Niphila manga. And even document yazi ekazi ne yazi mangamithi ekazi. Like bravo cabanga nje ushadile imira kithi hey love let's go to fry amaqanda ekitchen. Okay. Yazi ngithi nyaka doctor ngithi news check hayi ke bathi ngimithi uzwa Ungaje nama twins. Uziyathela kushinithi. Wo. Masiliso wawungicabangile la. Why selfish? Kumanje angina 350 yokugibela the whole week. Umithi wena umithi. And nama twins I 1 2. Angitshela ebamba ithula abantwana No, akhulunywa ngalabantwana no mafisana uBeyonce uzonini uTumithi
For sure kudala khana share nje nathi.
Angitshela khomuthi wena u 2 weeks pregnant into phapha yona so fakela lama home pregnancy sense I can't believe I'm gonna be a mom bese bano baba khona ningena phi Nikhula indawo zenu uBeyonce right uBeyonce ushadile yazi uBeyonce into zakhe zaziranela ushadile unomntana ozothola abantwana abanye bazoba right abantwana bakhe babe banempumulo ezinkulu bafana nobababo phela uyiphethe oxygen hayi la baba uyiphethe oxygen nomntwana le mntwana kuli econ
awungatshintsha kodwa nana
ifan mabona uBeyonce lo stage ine leziloko zenza kanje uJay-Z umela phambili earlier on when ngikhuluma ngale gorgeous eGhana one over Grant and say utheni Quish and yambona ngathi labo malume abanama drip ukabona umalume wakhe esibhedlela afaka idrip bona umalume ngeke asaphila Have you seen Imran Grant from Chelsea to Ghana? There's a huge difference. Inyama zakhe seziyaleka ngithi ufasela umalume wakhe esibhedlela afaka idrip lokuthi malume athi mshana nyaphola Orucabanga kanjani enenhliziyo uthi wena malume so la one bar vele one bar noma ngangilahla kuninto ayazi ngami nomunye umfazi ePitori hey wena hamba once
Remember,
stunning shoes.
You know, there's karma has a way of just paying you back as a woman.
it can be a female dog.
Yeah. Listen, no, I'll take it as a woman. It will pay you back. Can you imagine Khomotso being a mother to a girl?
Yeah, that
And
would be
then-
beautiful karma. That would be stunning.
Exactly. So now here we are. Hence the hashtag Dear Baby Girl.
Dear baby girl.
This is you, mother, talking to your daughter
Aha.
on some bona Gunji.
Yeah.
And Reddy Club is coming in for my top 10.
All right. You always gotta come back home.
angakona ukuthi mhlambe le dear baby girl sifaka mhlambe 2 cents opinion yethu la ngifuna ukusho something ngumntanami dear baby girl ungafani nogogo wakho bese ngishiya lapha athi why ngithi uzozibonela uke waye emathuneni wala abantu bakudala bashonile babangcoba neindishi mina uke waye emathuneni ekazi angazi mina bro or ngcotshwa nina kanti kule cremation angeke yenzeke right thina ngcaba umuntu mhlambe bekathanda umoba like sugar cane bayifake emathuneni akhe yakutshela bravo mhlawumbe umuntu bekayiphuzela wa3 ingudu zivaliwe why send the soy emathuneni why emathuna asahlonipha amathuna mhlawumbe ugogo kwakhe bekuyinyanga isangoma ithuna lakhe selinekhamba nempepho uhambile ngapha ngingcoba ngapha kunomunye ongabe uyakhala ethuneni uthi gogwana antibi kuri ninifuna yini mina ngibukela uPenipeni ayikaba bethu uPenipeni
Yes. What happened there?
Brabo uyitsonga khona yami kwenzakalani ngani like it's I know reality I know what reality is lapha na kuya act vele bamtshela ukuthi enzini lo baba uPenipeni uyicancel bafuna ukumcosha vele yabo akafuna ukuhamba yena so uyakuphela ufaka isudu kokuqala wayafaka isudu uyakuphela nemoto uyakuphela nesudu lapha bafaka amadasi khona ya anintibi ninifuna yini okay ngona mresign yakazo yasibone imali unokwatela ngona mresign ke hayi minga resign akwade athatha umntana athi for the first time umntana akhe khana ezulu no mina I found that very disturbing umntana akaPenipeni khana msezulu egiyana
How old?
unobuma 7-8
Sure.
lalela bro ikingami yazu no man no yazi iprepare zu prepare mentally mawungena abantwana babona ama sweetie bese babona ama flamingos so umqondo wakho yabona umqondo kwenzani uyabuild up uyayehla ubona indlovu esilonga iyenze nini samba kancane umntwana uyaqala uyajabula before uyohlangana nemfene namabhubesi already sobone boma 12 elwan
Yes.
hayi esekuyani ngeka papa pen uthi uvula umnyango nje kusekunenyawo umntwana uvula umnyango hey kasithinti lesi sina poison izo yasekuyani njani ayi prepare iyakuthusa and ayina imfene ngithi imfene basijwayele kahle vele hayi utokela ikobra uhlangabeza ikobra as the first animal you see Pena athi kumntana khona akathukanga kanti akayijwayelanga la papa yile la teko sithinti lesi sina poison sina abayivalelanga inyoka yakhona ikijini iyazula nje kanti izuru bafuna committee suicide lapha na uPenipeni uyakuphela basezulu abantu basezulu bamvulela umnyango bamphushela phakathi bavala umnyango Samangena bathi hey good luck papa good luck papa la wakhe bavala umnyango mntana imene Penipeni ithukile imehlahle yehla lapho serious uthi ungena iCobra uyazi iCobra ukuthi aw lalela jo yazi Peter you prepared ubona iflam yazi flamingo ithusi kanjani inenyawo ezindi sexy nyana
Momo.
ubona giraffe uqinuzela lokuthi cherry isa cherry kiyane uthi ungena emalamlele zuzwa
All right then. Scuba, have you seen this area as you Paul?
No, it's the
We're going to put it on. We're going to put the audio on YouTube now with our producer because you know it's nice.
Then I don't have a problem with advert. I have two problems with advert TV when black people have to dance. One, they don't understand it, or they have to sing. Angizwa. Mara lama advert kata Hugh.
Ankawaboni.
Uhlala phethe prampit angazi for it. No, serious. It's like uthi fresh we want to do an ad but uzina ama turntable for it. So lapho fresh, oh, it's the big dog. Mara phetha ama changeable. I span. I sebenza. Ubrahim no manje speaking. Uthi Ibrahim, una le life cover. Uthi manje speaking. Hey, ke robala mnati blind. Who do you know wena? And mina nansiyazi manje speaking akana life cover. Manje speaking Ukraine. No mama angapara sizomncwabo mindlozi out yethu. Ke robala mnati blind.
Oh, shame, man.
Like okay, una life cover. Uphethe from bit for in. Why wenza solo baba lo?
I don't know. But it's quite interesting though.
No, like you bro, just lose the advert. It's okay. But uzene bonke abantwana bakho there? For hey, it's pop my pen. Nathi. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't really make sense. Masayithola riding. Masayithola da nginendlala mayithola fana.
Okay. Yeah, I think we got it. Let's try and see.
Let us begin. Kubra like a instant groceries benefit.
Sure. Can it be added to all the members I cover?
Yes, plus groceries benefit. Maruka spanisa enyani more electricity, airtime, and transport.
Hey, blind.
Only one tiger per person per month on their funeral plan. One tiger. That's Asupo. SMS yes to 32813.
Why? Athi ngakava umuntu ufaka netrompisi. Ukakava everywhere. Ukakanya le trompisi libe mnati la. Oh yeah. Dlaliwe ngospeaker. Asishayisele bezamini. Whoa. Ukhuluma uthi amasasa benzani?
No, I heard that SASA's not organized and people not getting their money, which is so annoying and infuriating because, I mean, what is the problem? Surely they know what to do. They must just get on with it.
Gule. Ngicela ungasifaki lento zeSASA. Lalela la. Ungafuna uqala itrike ngento eyidom. Bathi abatholi imali bona.
As.
Phela ngithi government ibafakele emabhenki. Banekoloto. But sama debit order hayi kodwa abayitholanga. Banama debit order bona already manje.
All right. So they're fine.
Ba right.
So imali itsaliwe.
Kule imali yatsalwa kule country. Hayi into edina njenge debit order.
No, it's a good thing though.
Nge-1 ukahlala nge-1. Lokungena mase avela ngena be 9 abe wonke and when right nemidi inhleke ngiyatshela lapha no lo weekend sizoba right uzwa yazi ngicabanga le ndaba weekend sicancel once sele ngabo ma 1.4
Isa.
not in life cover give not a blind why ngizela kumqondo nami ngisakhona ukucabanga grand
I saw it. It's something else.
what wenzani
Let's try it. It was on Twitter.
and then
It was there it is. Okay, great.
why bro
Uthathe la cover.
Global, I'm not blind.
Nasino matata ne.
Ka speed fell.
No wacava. Ukahlokafala omung in your family, you will get 50,000 rand.
ucabanga ukuthi 50,000 yenzani ngayo wena
I'm sorry, Waka.
Also 50,000 rands.
Wow.
Do you pay a lot for such a big cover?
A little for a good sleeper now, enjoy.
And the service?
The top toes in the blind.
SMS ashes to 32813.
SMS issues
Oh gosh.
issues
Shame, man.
yazi abantu abashela bathathu serious kababela ngicabanga SMS ashes to ashes
All right, what are you up to this weekend? Skumi.
I mean I'm relax the weekend I shoot the whole week I've been
All right.
shooting from Monday I'm on TV on Thursday yeah my brand new show is
Oh, this Thursday.
This Thursday, that's your debut. All right.
Thursday 9th of February SAPC 1:7 name of the show is Throwback Thursday hosted by yours truly it's Kumba man
Are you gonna have there? Shaka Sul.
Lalela Joe let's just say we're gonna 10 TVs ngathi siyenzile khoneni that's just that
Oh, okay.
Shaka Zulu uzosinika imali zethu
Stop obsessing, guys. There are other people like
una something ayitholile no
1 million.
guys, thank you very much for joining us. Kuli Roberts, have a great weekend. Remember to be safe and look after each other and spread love.
Thank you very much for hanging out. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone.
Dala mkhulu opis nokokwa mawume kancane ukokwa bemdala man